1. Before disassembling the shotgun, always check that the firing chamber and the magazine are completely empty. 2. Close the bolt, pressing the carrier latch lever. 3. Keeping the shotgun vertical on a hard surface, press the assembly key fully and rotate the plug of the magazine anti-clockwise completely. 4. Push the receiver module upward and detach it from the barrel module. 5. Rotate the buttstock anti-clockwise 90 degrees and separate it from the barrel. If rotating completely is too hard, hold the buttstock module between your legs firmly and rotate the barrel module with both hands.